Hi guys, today I'm here with another video tutorial on how to mention someone on your Instagram story. Let's do this. First, I want you to tap on Instagram app. Once your Instagram app is open, I want you to tap on this plus sign right here on the top corner right side. Tap here. You will get options like post, story, reel, live. I want you to tap on story right here. Now once you tap on story, your gallery will show up. You can select any photo or video that you would like to upload and mention someone on the Instagram story. Suppose I'm going to pick this photo of my favorite celebrity right here. Tap here on the photo. Now you can write anything if you want. Suppose I'm going to write something, and for that you have to tap here on double A right here. And now I'm going to write hey. Alright, once you are done writing or typing, now tap here on @ symbol right here. Okay, now without giving any space, keep typing the Instagram account you want to mention. I'm going to mention this celebrity, so I will write his Instagram username, Paul Wesley. Now as you keep writing the Instagram username, a number of Instagram account will show up, and select the one that you want to mention on the story. Tap here. Now tap on done. Alright, so next you have to tap on your story right here on the bottom left side. Tap here. Now it will take a couple of seconds to upload Instagram story. To check if you have successfully uploaded the story or not, tap on the profile icon right here, right on the bottom right side. Tap here. Tap here on the profile icon. Now you see you have successfully mentioned someone on your story. So guys, this is how you do it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.